Saturday morning, watching Forged in Fire. Well, she's watching Forged in Fire. I have to get to work. What are my projects for today, babe?
Cutting the forest outside.
Yep, the grass is very long. We found that out because the previous owner had the sprinklers set for every night for 10 minutes, and the grass just, in like 5 days, it goes like 7 inches. So I bought a new toy to cut that with, so I gotta get doing that. And then what else? What else? What's up? What's on the docket today?
Planting flowers.
We're gonna do a little gardening. So I'm gonna cut the grass, gonna treat it because we got a lot of bugs back there. Do some gardening, and then hopefully another project today to get our backyard lights up. Yeah? Okay. Of this little mower. It's actually much more powerful than I thought it would be. It's good. It's awesome. The problem is that this grass is so thick and currently very wet that it's struggling to cut everything. It's getting bogged down a lot. So the battery's already dead, so I'm charging that right now. So we're gonna stop mowing until that's ready to go and maybe dry out the grass a little bit and then get back to it. Wouldn't be a backyard without some string lights. So we got these wooden decorative planter boxes. Cynthia's sending 8-foot long 1x2s. We're gonna put them in, secure them, and then pour some concrete in it. And then hopefully that'll give us our string lights and we're gonna just hanging around the house. Wow, did we get a lot done today or what?
I didn't. But sure, you did.
We. I'll take some of the credit, but we got a ton done. We got the posts in concrete, and then we pulled out gross plants and put in nice pretty ones. Once the grass dried, that little electric mower performs, man. It is great. I just can't let it get that long again. So then I just treated the grass with some bug stuff because we've been getting eaten alive out here. So I'm seeing bugs struggling right now, which is great. Kill the bugs. All right, well, I am tired and disgustingly dirty, so I'm gonna take a shower. Something that made me very happy today. Oh yeah. So we're gonna get a console table. We'll probably still put a console table in this area as opposed to the bookshelf. But I didn't have a place for my record player, and it was upsetting me that I didn't have a place for it, and I couldn't listen to it. So I put it right there. I think it looks pretty good. I drilled a hole in the back of the bookshelf to hide all the wires. So we're gonna hang until everyone comes over. Cynthia is exactly where we left her in the last video. She's on fire.
Cut it.
No, let's see how long this takes. Really, zap it out here. Melanie's over there podcasting. Hi, Melanie. Hi. And then we got Christian over here just figuring it out. Yeah. All right. Get that beat. Get that beat. Oh, shoot.
I can't do it.
Yeah, keep going. More time, go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go to town.
I can't do it.
Oh, come on.
Challenge for tahin and lala tahin on cucumbers.
Cucumbers. Cucumbers.
It's good, huh?
Salty or sweet?
He just had time. Hey, lights are strung up. Let's see. Let's see what they do. Ah. What the?
They're not screwed in over?
Just one? every other's good.
Suck.
How's it look, everyone? Yay, so good. Now get darker. Lights are up. Last project for the weekend, done. Just in time because it's dark and it's Sunday and we have to go to work tomorrow.